Hello and welcome. I'm Heather from Divine Ascension Company. If you're someone who feels everything, other people's moods, the tension in a room before anyone speaks, the emotional weight of strangers that you've never met, then tonight's session was made specifically for you. You're an empath, and your gift is also your greatest challenge, because you don't just observe the energy around you. You absorb it. You carry it home. You feel it in your body hours or days after the interaction has ended, often without realizing that it doesn't belong to you. Tonight, while you sleep, we're going to do a deep clearing of everything that has accumulated in your energy field that was never yours to begin with. The anxiety that isn't yours. The grief that you picked up in a grocery store. The heaviness of your coworker when they left the room, the emotions you absorbed from your phone screen, all of it. And then we're going to seal your field, restore your natural boundaries, recalibrate your frequency back to its original sovereign state, so that when you wake up tomorrow, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and more unmistakably yourself. Find a position where your body can fully release. Let your limbs fall heavy. Soften your jaw, your hands, your belly. Allow yourself to be held by wherever you're lying as we begin. Take a long breath in through your nose and hold it gently at the top. Then release through your mouth. Let that exhale carry all the tension out of your body. Again, deep breath in, hold, and let it go completely. One more, breathing in, holding and releasing everything, resistance, worry, the weight of the day, all of it leaving on that exhale. Allow your breathing to settle into its natural rhythm now. You don't have to control it, just let it breathe. Place your awareness at your feet. Notice the weight of them. Feel them becoming heavier with each breath. Soft, heavy, sinking into the surface beneath you. All tension dissolving from the soles of your feet, your heels, your toes, completely relaxed. This relaxation moves upward through your calves, soft, heavy, releasing all tension, up to your knees, your thighs. Your entire lower body is becoming still and comfortable and heavy. Next, feel your hips releasing, your lower back softening into the surface beneath you, your abdomen rising and falling with each easy breath, your chest opening, your shoulders dropping even further than you thought they could. Feel your arms growing heavy, from your shoulders down through your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, your hands falling open, fingers uncurling, all the tension gone. Bring your awareness to your throat and feel it soften and your neck relax, your jaw unclenching, all the little tiny muscles around your eyes and mouth releasing, your scalp relaxing, your entire face smooth and still. You are now fully relaxed in your physical body, every muscle at rest, every cell at ease, ready to go deeper. I'm going to guide you into a deeper state now, a place where your subconscious mind is open and receptive, where healing happens effortlessly beneath the reach of your thinking mind. Now imagine you're floating on the surface of a warm, still ocean. The water is the most perfect temperature. The sky above is a deep, soft indigo, the color of the hour just before dawn. You are completely safe here, completely held. With each breath, you begin to sink gently downward, not with effort, just releasing, sinking, drifting deeper into the warm water. I'll count from 10 down to 1, and with each number, you sink deeper into this healing space, deeper into trance, deeper into peace. 10, sinking gently, beginning to drift downward. 9, the water is growing warmer and softer all around you. 8, your thinking mind is quieting and growing still. 7, even deeper now, beautifully suspended in this warm water. 6, we're about halfway down, the light above becoming softer, the water more comfortable all around you. 5, your body is completely weightless, completely at peace. 4, even deeper still, the water holding you perfectly. 3, we're almost there. Your subconscious is fully open and ready. 2, your conscious mind is barely present, drifting in the most beautiful stillness. 1, we've arrived at the ocean floor, a place of perfect quiet, perfect safety, perfect receptivity. You rest here now, in this deep, still place, where the healing work begins. In this quiet space, become aware of your energy field, the luminous field of energy that surrounds and permeates your physical body, extending perhaps a foot or two in every direction. This is your field, your sovereign energetic space. Now, gently and without judgment, notice what's in it that doesn't belong to you. You might sense it as a heaviness in certain areas, maybe a cloudiness, threads of energy that feel foreign or sticky, colors that don't match your natural frequency, emotional residue like anxiety, sadness, anger, even overwhelm that has arrived through contact with others. Now, this isn't failure. This is what happens to an empath without a clearing practice. Your sensitivity is a gift. This accumulation is simply the cost of that gift when it goes unmanaged. Tonight, we reclaim the gift without the cost. As you rest at the ocean floor, feel the water itself becoming an active clearing agent. This water is intelligent. It knows exactly what belongs to you and what does not. It knows your original frequency, the way the ocean knows its own tides. Feel it beginning to move through your field, gently, thoroughly, carrying away everything that was absorbed from others today, this week, this month. Years of accumulated energy that was never truly yours. The anxiety that you absorbed from someone who was overwhelmed near you, the water carries it away. The grief that you soaked up from a conversation that wasn't even about you, dissolving now and carried away. The tension, the irritability, the low-grade dread that arrived through your phone, through the news, through the collective, all of it releasing, all of it going into the water, being washed away. Feel your field growing lighter with each pass of this healing water. Cleaner, clearer, more distinctly yours. There may be deeper layers, old absorbed energy that has been sitting in your field for so long it started to feel like you. We're clearing those out too. You don't necessarily need to identify them. You don't need to understand them. Just allow the water to find them and carry them away. Your field is clearing completely now, like a window being washed clean. You can almost feel it. That particular lightness that comes when something that was never yours finally leaves your body for good. Your field is clear. Now we can seal it. Imagine a luminous membrane forming at the outer edge of your energy field. Not a wall, a filter. It is permeable to love, to joy, to genuine connection, to the information your sensitivity was designed to receive. But it is impermeable to everything else, to the emotional overflow of others, to energy sent with unconscious or harmful intent, to the collective anxiety that saturates the digital and physical spaces that you move through. This membrane knows the difference. You don't have to monitor it. You don't have to maintain it consciously. It operates automatically, calibrated to your original frequency. Feel it settling into place, solid, luminous, and completely yours. Now, feel your own energy, your true original frequency, beginning to fill the space that was cleared. This is you, unmistakably, recognizably you. Notice how it feels. Lighter than it was before. More coherent. More alive. This is your baseline when it isn't cluttered with what doesn't belong to you. This is who you are without the accumulated weight of everyone else's experience. Your subconscious mind is receiving new instructions now, deep and permanent. From this moment forward, your sensitivity remains fully intact, but it no longer requires you to absorb what you sense. You can perceive the emotional field of others without taking it into your own body. You can feel compassion without carrying the burden. You can be present without losing yourself. From this moment forward, you trust the difference between your energy and someone else's. When something arrives that doesn't belong to you, some part of you will recognize that immediately, and you allow it to pass through rather than accumulate. From this moment forward, you release the belief that absorbing others' pain is how you help them. Your presence and your clarity are your greatest gifts, not your suffering, not your accumulation. Your clear, sovereign, fully inhabited self is what others need from you most. From this moment forward, clearing your field is as natural and as necessary as sleep itself. And, in fact, sleep is one of the ways that it happens. Which means, tonight and every night, your body restores itself while you rest. These instructions are now active in your subconscious. They will guide you automatically. You don't have to remember them. You don't have to try. They simply are. The clearing is now complete. Your field is sealed. Your energy is restored. You are, in this moment, fully and unmistakably yourself. Let yourself drift now. From the ocean floor, you're floating upward, not back to wakefulness, but into sleep, a deep, restoring, integrating sleep. As you sleep tonight, this clearing will continue at levels that might be too subtle for your conscious to perceive. Your field maintains its integrity. Your boundaries strengthen. Your natural frequency roots itself more deeply with every hour of rest. And you'll wake tomorrow feeling different, feeling lighter, more like yourself than you felt in some time. Because some of what you've been carrying that you thought was you wasn't. Let it all go now. Let sleep take you. Let your body do what it knows how to do. You are clear, you are protected, and you are at home in yourself. Sleep well, sleep deeply, and sleep clear.